D.H Industrial Group. We are an experienced and passionate team dedicated to exceeding our customers' expectations, delivering unparalleled solutions for manufacturing. We specialize in delivering world-class innovative engineering solutions on time with excellence. We offer our engineering solutions in all stages of the design and manufacturing process, from conceptualization and designing to testing and production. Our engineering team is dedicated to developing the most effective solution for our customers' needs, utilizing advanced computer modeling in order to reduce product development time and cost. We utilize professional software in conjunction with a wide range of engineering and design services, such as special purpose machine design and manufacturing, professional CAD modeling, industrial automation with control software, reverse engineering, and CNC milling and turning services. From concept through production, all under one roof, we offer turnkey engineering and design solutions across many industries. We look forward to learning about your engineering, design, and automation needs.